By the end of this video, you will know how to split dependents between parents in TurboTax. Start from your TurboTax account while you are already signed in, then open the current tax return you want to work on. Once the return is open, look to the left-hand menu and click My Info. This section is where TurboTax stores the personal and household details that affect your return. In My Info, scroll down until you reach the Your Household section. Here, you can add a new dependent or review one that is already listed. If the child is not there yet, click Add a Dependent. If the child is already entered, select that child to open the existing details and continue from there. When TurboTax asks who you support, choose My Child. Then click Continue. On the next screen, enter the child's information or review what is already there. This includes the child's name, date of birth, and citizenship details. After checking that information, click Continue again. Keep moving through the questions about the child's relationship to you and how long the child lived with you during the tax year. These answers matter because TurboTax uses them to decide how the child can be treated on your return. Make sure the time lived with you matches the actual situation for that tax year before you continue. Next, TurboTax will ask about the child's other parent. Answer these questions based on the child's real living arrangement and the parent's tax situation. You will then reach a question asking whether the other parent will claim the child. Select the answer that matches which parent is claiming that specific child for the tax year. This part is where the split between parents is reflected, so choose the option that fits that child's claim status. Continue through the remaining dependent questions until TurboTax finishes determining how the child is treated on your return. Depending on the answers, TurboTax may apply different tax benefits or limits, so it is worth reviewing each screen carefully as you go. If you have another child who will be claimed by the other parent, go back to the Your Household section and select that child. Then complete the same dependent questions for that child based on the correct living arrangement and which parent is claiming that child for the year. Each child should be entered according to that child's own situation, rather than using the same answer for every dependent. After both children's details have been reviewed, look over the dependent information one more time. When everything matches your intended filing arrangement, click Continue to save your entries. Thanks for watching. Your dependent information is now entered in TurboTax based on which parent is claiming each child.